How do I critically take notes during lectures? Have you ever sat in a lecture and wondered how to take notes that actually help you learn? Let's talk about how to critically take notes during lectures so you can get the most out of your classes. First, it is important to understand that note-taking is not just about writing down everything you hear. It is about actively engaging with the material. Start by using a structured note-taking method. One popular approach is the Cornell method. This method divides your page into sections: 4 main points, detailed notes, and a summary or questions. This setup helps you focus on essential ideas and makes it easier to review later. While listening, pay attention to the lecturer's cues. Notice when they emphasize certain points or repeat information. These are usually the key concepts you should write down. Instead of writing everything verbatim, focus on capturing the core ideas. This will help you process the information better. When you write down ideas, use your own words. Paraphrasing forces your brain to think about what you are writing, which improves your understanding. Leave some space in your notes to add clarifications or connections after class. This way, you can fill in any gaps when you review your notes later. Visual aids can also be very helpful. Consider using charts, diagrams, or bullet points to organize your information. Visuals can help you see how ideas relate to each other, making your notes easier to understand when you look back at them. After the lecture, take some time to review and revise your notes. This is an important step in critical note-taking. You might want to cross out misunderstandings, group similar ideas together, or create concise summaries. This process helps turn your raw notes into a useful study tool. Handwriting your notes can be more effective than typing them. The act of writing helps with memory retention. If you prefer digital notes, try converting your handwritten notes into text. This can make it easier to search and organize your information. Finally, use your notes actively. Quiz yourself on the material or discuss it with classmates. This reinforces what you have learned and helps you identify any areas where you need more clarity. In summary, critical note-taking during lectures involves using a structured method, actively listening, paraphrasing, incorporating visuals, and reviewing your notes. By applying these strategies, you can transform your notes into effective tools for learning and success in your studies.